ខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបជូនថាមកដល់ពេលបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះពិភពលោកយើងកំពុងជួបប្រទះនូវវិបត្តិបញ្ហាសម្រាមសំណល់រឹងទីប្រជុំជនជាពិសេសសំណល់ផ្លាស្ទិកដែលមានឥទ្ធិពលយ៉ាងខ្លាំងទៅលើបញ្ហាសុខភាពរបស់មនុស្សហើយក៏មានការបំពុលទៅលើបរិស្ថានយ៉ាងធ្ងន់ធ្ងរផងដែរជារៀងរាល់ឆ្នាំសំណល់ផ្លាស្ទិកនេះបានបង្កើតឡើងរាប់សិបលានតោនដោយសកម្មភាពរបស់មនុស្សយើងហើយភាគច្រើននៃសំណល់ផ្លាស្ទិកនេះត្រូវបានប្រើប្រាស់ក៏ដូចជាក្រោយការប្រើប្រាស់យើងបានបោះចោលយ៉ាងច្រើនទៅលើដីក៏ដូចជាទៅក្នុងទឹកជាពិសេសទៅក្នុងទឹកសមុទ្រមកទល់ពេលនេះយើងមានឃើញក្រុមហ៊ុនជាច្រើនបានអនុវត្តនៅកម្ពុជាក្នុងនោះក៏មានដូចជាក្រុមហ៊ុន Tontoton នៅខេត្តបរសេនុ ក្រុមហ៊ុន Nice និងក្រុមហ៊ុន Gomi Recycling ជាដើមអញ្ចឹងជារួមការកែច្នៃសម្រាមសំណល់រឹងស៊ីប្រជុំជនជាពិសេសសំណល់ផ្លាស្ទិកនេះវាមានសារៈសំខាន់ហើយជាពិសេសទៅទៀតនោះគឺនឹងនាំឲ្យការរស់នៅជីវភាពរស់នៅរបស់ប្រជាពលរដ្ឋរបស់យើងមានប្រកបដោយចីរភាពទៅពេលអនាគតយូរអង្វែងទៅមុខទៀតបាទអរគុណ
In the same time I went to Cambodia is when I discovered about the plastic recycling project called the Precious Plastic. Because at the beginning I didn't have like technical skills to build the machine, but then I found people who took the time to teach me and show me, and then and that's also why I want to keep doing it, because sometimes I wanted to give up or stop or do other stuff, but I want to have something finished when I stop it, so like this it can be transferred to someone else and it wasn't in vain, and then like this what people took time to transfer to me, I can transfer it back as well to other people, and I think this is really important. Plastic is a really unique material. When we work with plastic, it's like when we work with wood or with any raw material, we have to learn, develop a technique and everything, and all this I didn't expect this at the beginning, to learn also by ourselves, by doing. We want to show that plastic is a valuable material and that it shouldn't be used as a single use because it's really complex. The production of the workshop, we sell it here on site when people come and visit. It's close and easy for people to drop off their plastic, to get to know us. We teach each other technique. Oh, last time I did this and it ended up like this, you should try, and it's really nice.
So my name is Elora, I'm from France, and I met Alix in France in my workspace. My part will be the production part and the communication. We are collecting the plastic from different sources. It can be from individuals, can be from businesses or organizations, and We set up actually here in Tradian Park 7 or 10 bins, like people just going in the park and can just like drop plastic in the bins. So we are collecting the plastic from all these kind of sources.
ទី1ខ្ញុំដើរប្រមូលតាមកត្រកតែវាមិនមែនប្រមូលដោយដៃទេមានសំដៃមានមួកមានម៉ាស់ត្រឹមត្រូវបន្ទាប់ពីប្រមូលហ្នឹងហើយយើងប្រមូលដាក់ចូលក្នុងម៉ាស៊ីនហើយសម្រាប់ណារៀងកក្រិចខ្លាំងយើងដើរលាងនឹងដៃសម្រាប់ណាល្មមយើងដាក់ចូលក្នុងម៉ាស៊ីនបន្ទាប់មកយើងធ្វើការងារបន្ទាប់ពេលខ្លះកាត់ផ្លាស្ទិកបើផ្លាស្ទិកនឹងអត់សូវស្អាតទេយើងឃ្លីនជាមួយដៃហើយដាក់វាហាឲ្យស្ងួតរួចកិនចូលក្នុងម៉ាស៊ីន
We sort it by types and by colors, and after that we are going to shred it, same by types and by colors, and we're going to take the little flakes to put them directly in the machines. Then the molds are going to be on the bottom, and we're just going to inject the plastic in the mold. So we're going to open the mold. And after that, cut the excess of plastics that we can have. And finishing with a cutter or a heat gun. And after that, we're going to stamp the product. And we're going to sell it.
The product from Trash is Nice, it's quite interesting because it's new product in Cambodia. We try to find solution how we create like from plastic to the product, but somehow we don't really have like knowledge to do it. So when I see Trash is Nice, they're doing that, I feel like finally we can make it now. And then the client, when they come and see the whole story of how the product being made from the trash waste, they really wanted to, be a part of it. Like finally I can create my own trash to some product that I can use. Yeah, that is how the product and the client, they keep connect to each other. To us, having like eco-friendly store and can carry like completely like eco product that create from plastic, I feel amazing.
Plastic is an amazing material to work with. The characteristics are amazing and everything. I really want to show people that it's really valuable. It can be something beautiful. We don't even see it anymore. And I want people to see it and say, oh, this is something that maybe we need to be careful with. This is my main goal, I think.
私は日本で70年経営する会社の3代目の社長になります。15年ぐらい前に父親が病気で倒れて、父親は先代でしたので、せっかくリサイクルの会社に就職した私は、できれば世界でリサイクル、ゴミの問題で困っている人たちをサポートしたいと考え、世界中を回ってこのカンボジアという国を見つけました。でカンボジアではゴミの山で働く多くの人たちがたくさんいて、とても十分な生活をできているとは言えない人たちだったので、できれば自分の人生というか残された時間をこの困っている人たちのために使いたいということで、カンボジアでリサイクル、ゴミの問題を解決する事業をしようというふうに決めました。でそこで創業したのが2014年ゴミを回収する会社ゴミリサイクル110番という会社になります。そして、JICA の事業や、いろんな企業さんたちとやり取りする中で、今度は、ゴミをリサイクルする会社を作らなければいけないと思いまして、2018年にプラスチックをリサイクルする会社ゴミリサイクルプノンペンを創業いたしました。プラスチックを集める先は大きく2つあります。一つはレストランやスーパーなどの汚れたプラスチックです。これは機械によって洗浄して粉砕をして乾燥をするような工程を挟んだり、集められたプラスチックは商品ごと、製品ごとなんですかね、それぞれ分別しておきまして、まずは粉砕というクラッシュをする作業を行います。そして、作り上げる製品によって配合を変えなければいけないので、その製品によって、配合をしながら、こちらの150度から250度ぐらいの温度で、プラスチックを溶かしていって、型に入れて、今座っているベンチのですね、建材のように、型を製品を作り上げていきます。あとはその技術をカンボジア人に伝えることであったり、こんなことにとっても苦労しています。あと、エリアによっては壁であったりの壁材としてを作ったり、そしてイオンのなんて言うんでしょう、ベンチも作ったりしてます。全体をですね、木の代わりに作ったり、私が最初にカンボジアに来たのが2012年です。で、10年ぐらい経って感じることは、まだまだゴミに関する考え方は売れるものか売れないものかという、これはそんなに変わってないような気がします。カンボジア人は、ゴミを捨てる時に売れるものであれば資源として残します。で、売れないものは平気で何でも捨てると、この意識で、やってますので、まずその意識を、変えるためには、皆さんもご存知だと思いますけど、教育しかないと思ってます。なので私たちが作る商品はやはりかっこよくて、みんながすごいなって言ってくれる商品を、作りたいと思っています。
យល់មិនសប្បាយគឺរីរាក់ទាក់
なので我々のような熱意を持った人たちが一人でも多く増えていく、そのようなことをしちゃっていく活動を私はやっていきたいと思っています。これからのビジョンを申し上げますと、やはりみんながカンボジアの環境を守るために自分たちがこう進んでリサイクルであったりゴミを減らす活動ということをしていかなければいけないと考えています。
I am Barak Ekstein. I am the founder and CEO of Tontoton, plastic collecting sorting program here in Sihanoukville, Cambodia. We started Tontoton 3 years ago with the aim of creating an impact, a real bigger impact, the bigger problem of plastic pollution, which is non-recyclable, hard to recycle plastic, post-consumer plastic. I discovered that there is a huge amount of material that is not picking up from the environment by the informal waste picker. So they will take only the value material and all the low value will stay on the ground. And I thought that it will be important and reasonable business-wise, marketing-wise and environmentally sound for companies to sponsor and support removal of low-value plastic, non-recyclable plastic from the environment. So what Tontoton tried to achieve is a way to create a value, a market for the non-recyclable plastic. What we did is build a community network of waste pickers. We came to the community and then we offered them to join this program. We can bring the waste to us if they don't have the ability. This network basically grow from 1 to 5 into around 500 waste pickers. We'll go and pick up the waste from the segregation points, from the waste pickers, from the families, from anyone that is engaged and enrolled into the program. We bring everything here to our material recovery facility in Sihanoukville, where we sort all the material. It goes on the conveyor belt and then divide into different type of plastics. It's HDP, LDP, PET, and so on. From there, we find a solution for each material. If it goes to a recycler, or it goes to our coming now production, or into the cement factories if it's too low grade. So what we try to do is to create a system for every type of plastic that we are collecting. But the problem is how to finance this. So if we need to collect the plastic that they cannot use, we are paying to the cement factories because they are like a waste management companies, right? They treat plastic for factories usually. Plastic has more energy than coal. So we managed to reduce CO2 emissions. And then it came to me that it can work on a similar way like the carbon credit, like the carbon offset. So it means that companies creating pollution, and then on the other side they can balance their pollution with reducing CO2 emissions in the carbon. And then in the plastic it can be the same thing. Tontoton was, I think, like one of the first 5 companies in the world doing plastic ready. In today's plastic crisis, we must take a bigger responsibility for who is collecting and from where and what's left behind. The idea is to create a system, a certified system with traceability of where the material comes from, who is collecting it, in which way, and mostly leave nothing behind. So don't collect only the plastic bottle from this poor and very hotspot polluted village, but next to the plastic bottle collect also the plastic bag that nobody will collect otherwise. And that's why leaving nothing behind and leaving no one behind. I think that this is the ethical way that companies must go forward. We cannot turn a blind eye to this situation. Our biggest task today is to stop the leakage into the environment. We see it as a waterfall, so we try to clear the pool. But the waterfall keep pouring water into it. We can clear as much as we want, but it will keep being dirty. Eventually it's reached to the ocean. This is the reality.